Jay back again, Weeks Wise at Fat, and we've got a very nice Aventador sitting here today. So to teach you how they came up with the name for the Lamborghini Aventador, they said, this is a vent, this is a door, Aventador. Wow, I can't believe I actually waited and filmed that. The shit we have to deal with.
So many gigs wasted.
I know. Bad. Anyway, mission for today is add CarPlay. This is a 2018, which I know it's pretty surprising that cars this late don't have CarPlay built in, but yeah, look, it's one of those things, unfortunately. But that's why we're here, to add it in. So we'll have a quick look at how far in we are already, and it's not a light job, I'll say that much. As you can see, we've got it pretty in pieces already. There it is, a little bit of fun getting these apart, isn't it, Mr. Nick?
Yeah, it's an outstanding time I'm having.
Oh, outstanding.
This time of year.
Oh, love it, absolutely love it. So there's some stuff we've got to tap into up here, there's some stuff we've got to tap into down here. And yeah, fun. So, you know, all of the microfibers. Don't go sparingly on your microfibers and all. So let's continue on. Alright, this is our CAN gateway basically break-in, so we can actually get CAN data and MMI data and stuff, so we can actually get control. So I've just got to extend a wire, which is going to be basically linking to our MMI in the factory unit, and yeah, that'll make things work. Do work, son! Alright, that's our MMI wire extended. That's pretty neat, so I am good to go start getting this one in the car. Plug it in and see if it works point. Bang! All of the fun.
Don't let the smoke out.
Don't let the smoke out. Preferably not.
You lose kilowatts.
All of them.
All the kilowatts.
All the kilowatts. Yeah. Eventually just decides to turn on when it feels like it. That gives you that moment.
Yeah.
And then it turns on and then you go, oh cool, it's just being a dick.
Yeah.
Fucking angled one on it, plugs back into there, and our module goes in the middle.
I'm gonna get in again.
No. Good work, dude. Good work. We weren't recording then.
It's recording.
Yay, it works!
Do you know how much stuff you can do with Android compared to an Apple?
Bam! Like a turtle. Right, we are getting close to back together. See the module's down under here. So what we're doing at the moment is, with this we need the MMI plugged in, or it doesn't recognize auxiliary. So we're taking the port out of the side of the dash, gonna knock up something so that we get a USB there. Customer does not use this MMI port anymore. So basically all we're gonna need to do with this is, we've got that. He plugs into there, and that's it. So now the unit thinks that there's an auxiliary there, and that will function. So that's good. So I'll get him tied up and tucked away, and we're pretty much there. Mr. Nick is modifying the port to go back down in that spot down here, and we'll be good to go. Win! Alright, there's our port with our USB in there. So just a little bit of epoxy, which means it can be popped out and put back to stock if it needs to be. But he is ready to go in.
Well, what have you discovered?
These aren't coming back far enough, so they're not locking around the plastic.
Yeah,
so
right.
I need to shorten them, and it'll actually lock in.
So, well, how was it doing it before then? Because the other side.
One side's fine because the material's cut flush to it.
Yeah.
That side, the material wraps around.
Yeah, right. That's why you're the wick.
I am the wick.
The 4K just doesn't work for your forehead.
Now the problem is the 4K actually makes it worse.
Yeah.
I should probably go back to 720, maybe
Yeah.
480.
You can tell you've slept on your face.
And? What's your point?
So, nothing.
Don't you sleep on your face?
Nah. I sleep standing up. Fucking cow.
Oh, you're Batman. Oh no, hang on, Batman's upside down.
Yeah, no, I'm not a vampire, man.
Where's my cloth tape? Oh my god, I bet you I'll walk over to my bench with it.
No, you loomed up there.
I walked over to my bench with it, didn't I?
Oh, there it is!
Oh!
There it is, it's right behind here. Oh, look.
Oh,
it fell
look,
over
oh,
there.
yeah.
Haha.
Thanks, Nick.
You're welcome, mate.
What would I do without you?
The same thing, but without fun. No joy in your no joy in your life.
Okay. We are all hooked up and in. So plonk console back in. We'll get one more test just to make sure he's all still doing things. And we'll lock her in.
Chance of joy on you. Do you want me to screw it back in just because I know where all the screws are, or you're sweet?
Oh, I'm sure we can turn that.
Oh my god. From that distance?
Yeah, but I've had everything unplugged.
Your route is being calculated. The destination is in the indicated direction.
Now you're going to die.
No, I'm pretty sure I need to plug it in again.
You should see the things we do.
Call JBMW.
Calling JBMW Mobile.
It's going to ring on there.
Said you're going to do the logo. Oh no, it did it. Who did the Lambo logo?
It works! As you can see, we have CarPlay up and working. All running through our factory MMI buttons, which is nice. So he's all good. So that means we are winning. Shut it down, put this bit back together. There's a little bit of installer menu stuff we've got to do, getting it all spec for Lambo. And we're there. Sweet. Well, you still got shit to put back together over here, don't you?
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Well, I'll swap sides if you like. We'll go over
that's
there.
what we're doing.
Well, okay, I'll do that then. God, this guy is so angry.
I'll lick your wick. What?
Just the wick?
Go on, get out of the car. I wasn't talking about a sex movie then.
Weren't you?
Nah, man.
We're sort of working over each other.
Hey?
Sort of working over each other. I know you love that.
You don't do that, actually. Mate, the things I would do to you and your boss cat.
I swear, the other one we worked on, it had a start button on the steering wheel and there as well.
Oh yeah, it's just the best of both worlds.
Yeah, it's like just in case you wanted to, just go ye old rocket switching.
Oh, just and also having one of those lazy days you don't want to take your hands off the steering wheel.
Well, yeah, you could just be instead of. It's so far to reach over there.
Yeah, well you're already tired from counting all the money that you
Well,
have.
this is true.
Yeah, or all the debt you have, depending on how actually rich you are.
This is fair.
La la la.
That's pretty porn. It's like properly carbon. Properly carbon.
Someone made that.
Yes, someone made that motherfucker. Yeah. Last two screws. There is so much carbon fiber on this car. Like everything. Like The floor. See that? And here. Even the bloody floor is carbon fibre. The whole damn thing. And that's all just the pretties. That is some pretties though. We're good. Alright.
That's a dash.
Click, 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 click. Lamborghini. And we should be able to hit the nav. The nav. Baba bow. As soon as it sees and connects to Sam's phone, which is the last one that was connected, is going to connect straight up and do the thing.
Hopefully he's not watching a naughty video right now.
Well, I mean, chances are.
Yeah, chances are high.
Chances are very high.
Very high.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the instruction manual you get.
Yeah. That is that.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's what makes it work.
That.
Yes.
They're words.
Yes.
And then
And they're things that correspond to other things.
Then there's a line that says that's there.
Yeah.
Then they've wasted the highlighter here.
Mind you though, you see that it does say Audi A4, A5, Q5.
Yeah. And you could probably chuck it in a Volkswagen if you really wanted to.
Probably, well, if a Volkswagen had MMI.
That's a good point.
Yeah, look.
You've made me feel silly.
Well, look, I tried.
And now I will have to cry.
Well, at least I've done something for you.
What have you done for me lately? Seriously, everyone gets flowers, and you've never bought me flowers.
Well, would you? I don't know, guys. Would you buy this mug anything?
Fucking oath. If you don't, I'll fuck you up.
I didn't buy myself a Christmas present, let alone him.
That's because what do you buy? The guy that has everything in life. Chicka chicka, the wig.
There we go. And it actually looks really nice on these screens too. Like the resolution's actually quite nice, so that is a good win. So
Yeah, it's
we
definitely
now-
better than the Maserati one.
Oh, I agree with that,
That
100%.
was shocking. Didn't even fit the screen.
There we go, and that is Mr. CarPlay. So we can hit the nav button and that'll take us back to our main screen, which obviously we can just click radio, everything still works as normal. But if we go and click media and get that into our external source and then hit the nav button, bam, we're back to CarPlay. Ah!
Same hand model now.
And there's the screen you want to see.
It actually looks pretty good.
It does, it looks quite nice. The only thing we do have to do is get into installation menu and just change out that for Lamborghini.
Or put a sticker on it.
Oh, that's the solution. We'll just put a sticker.
Yeah.
I didn't think of that.
Some people just overthink things with
Oh,
software.
I know.
And you should just chuck a Lambo sticker on it. You're never going to notice until you change the screen.
No, but don't think about that.
No. Just imagine this.
That was problem solved. Why did you have to go and think about it?
Sorry.
There's CarPlay in the Lambo. Yes, that one when it focuses.
So you know how this is the Strata dash, right?
Yes.
Does the normal one have the same screen?
Yes.
Because see how this, because its normal screen's actually quite good in resolution anyway.
Yeah, it is.
Did you notice like the side panels
Yeah.
that they had?
No,
They
the-
actually look like 3D'd.
Yeah, the last one of these we did actually had the same screen in it, and
Yeah,
it was
nice.
literally that same resolution.
Well, at
So
least they do a decent screen in it.
it is, and even that, if you actually have a close look at even this screen, it's a really good quality screen.
It's pretty crisp.
It's pretty
It's almost
nice.
as good as the Hilux.
It's almost as good as yeah, almost.
I try.
The what do we call it?
The Lexus RX 440 or something.
Or maybe we'll just call it the Lambo Lux.
Yeah. Well, debadge this. Chuck it on the Lux.
Lambo Lux? Or Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. Sound
You know what you do? You just get that big wing, that thing back
Yeah, chuck
there.
it on the canopy.
Yeah, and we'll just whack it on the back of your box. You'll be fine, I swear.
Get one of those little ones from eBay. I think they work.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Get the miniature, the 1/8 scale.
Yeah, absolutely.
It'd be sick. We'll put it on the front window. Like we put it on your put it on the bonnet like a Celica.
Too much downforce for me.
No, you could also just go and do an AU and do the double wing.
Yeah, nah. See, I'm just a normal type of guy.
Yeah, not a double wing kind of guy.
I'm not a wanker.
Well, that's arguable, but
Well, not physically. No.
No, well.
Yes. Well, you don't know what I mean.
yeah. So anyway, yes, we did a thing, and it's cool, and it's like, yep, sweet. and we're done.
Yeah,
And we're going to sit here and talk shit,
We
but
did something for the day.
we did things. I should start the car just to be safe, you know,
Check.
because... Oh, hello. These look good. That's a lot of motor. It is good. All right, so there we have it. That is CarPlay in an Aventador. So that went very well. Look, I mean, it does take some time to get these things done, but for the kind of car it is, it's pretty expected. Went very well, no issues, no big concerns. And I know the customer is gonna love the fact that he's actually gonna have CarPlay in his car now, which is an absolute win. Because again, like I said before, I just don't understand why such late model cars like this aren't coming equipped with CarPlay, but at least now he's got wireless CarPlay, he's got Android Auto, he's got everything there ready to go. So that is an absolute bonus. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, comment below, tell me what you think, and we'll see you next time. See ya.
When you get tired of it, I'll be waiting.
No worries, mate. Yep. That's porn. Come on, can track, you piece of shit. Hey guys, Jay's back again.
Let's do.
Yes, let's like
video stuff.
yeah.
Let's do our job.